Hi everybody, welcome to Studio Chat number 8 already. I am so happy to talk to you guys this morning. First off, I just want to tell you thank you. This past weekend, there was such a huge support for my number 10 caddy pattern re-release. 99% of the stuff that I design, I put on my blog for free, and that makes me really happy to know that people are sewing the things and learning how to sew and sharing them with others, and I love that. But this is a paid pattern for this little number 10 caddy. Well, this is this mini version, but it's a paid pattern, and the fact that you guys are so generous and so supportive of me when I do release a paid pattern, it just means the world to me. So thank you. And second of all, I want to invite you to come and vote for our You Pick project tutorial for February, because I picked 3 things that I'm really excited about. The thing that I was most excited about is this Japanese inspired tote bag that is made with lots of different scrappy fabrics, and that was the one that I voted on when I went to my website and voted. But that's not the one that's winning. The one that's winning is this small felt purse organizer, which is also totally cool. I mean, I picked it and I like it. That's what's winning. And then there's also a small, really small, cute dumpling shaped zipper pouch that has a key ring on it, so you can attach it to your purse and maybe put, I don't know, lipstick in it. So 3 totally amazing projects, and go and vote for the one that you want to make. Obviously, I started making the tote bag already on Sunday because I wanted you to vote for it too. But I guess we'll see. This little strip of fabrics might be made into something else or put on my works in progress pile. So it's only Tuesday and we've got a long way to go till Friday. Thank you again. My fans are the best. I love you guys. Have a great week, and we'll chat later.